So the paint job is finally complete. We have sprayed in the car. We sprayed 3 coats of clear. It came out really nice.
Welcome back to Rebuilt Boys. It's another video and we are working on the WRX today. My priority for this video is to pop the engine in today. Guess what came in, boys? Bell housing bolts have come in and they're right here in my hands, finally. It's actually amazing. Every bolt and nut just comes in a bag itself, so we know where everything goes. It makes the job so much easier. Let's not waste any more time on talking and hop right into this build. Look at that, boys. The engine is finally in the engine bay. We have to line it up with the tranny right now and then put the bell housing bolts on. Then I gotta put the engine mounts on and it should be in there correctly, so let's do it.
Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So today we're continuing working on the BMW. We did a lot of work off camera just because we could not waste any time on the car due to Christmas and, you know, Christmas Eve, whatever. Anyway, let's show you guys around what we actually did. Let's get straight into work. So first off, we painted the rims. They were scratched, whatever, rashed, whatever you guys want to call it. Anyway, scuffed them up, painted them, repaired the spots that needed to be repaired. Painted them some nice gunmetal, as well as we took apart the taillight and the moldings on the window, as well as the door handles. Then we repaired all the damaged spots that needed to be repaired. There were some waves and dents and creases right there and a little bit over there. The door is repaired, looks really nice, as well as there were some scratches on the pillar. That's all fixed. Coming onto this fender, there's a little dent that we repaired. Looks really nice. We also put some new Continental tires, DWS, on these bad boys. Honestly, in this episode, we aren't wasting any time. It might be a little short, but you know what? We're getting into the fun stuff. We are painting this car, and then comes the modding part after this episode. So guys, stay tuned for this video, and honestly, stay tuned. So actually, guys, here's the paint that we bought for the car. B45. Got a whole quart of it just in case. And we're using Diamond RM paint, one of the best brands out there. So first off, what we're gonna do is sand down all the primer spots. I use a bucket of hot water and a 600 grit sandpaper. Basically, you wet it down and you sand it down. After all the primer spots are sanded, I'm gonna scuff all the parts. I use a red scuff on these panels that are gonna get sealed, and then I use a gray scuff on the blend panels. So we are going to be blending the paint right here and clearing this whole panel, as well as there's a little something going on from the PDR, but we'll sand it down with the 800 and that'll be good enough for the paint. So right now, let's get into working and I'll put you guys on some time lapse. Let's get it rolling. So guys, we have sanded down all the primer as well as scuffed the front bumper. Let's check out the job. So there's the front bumper, nicely scuffed. Here's the passenger side fender, pillar, and the door. Look at that line. Came out perfect. The hood, really nice. Right now we're gonna take the 600 on a small block and block down all the overspray primer as well as the overspray paint from the fenders. As soon as that is done, the car is pretty much ready to get scuffed where it needs to be blended, and then it's ready to be cleaned out, washed out, and ready for that tape and paint. So we just currently washed out the booth right now. Looks really nice. All cleaned out. Let's go ahead and pull in the Beamer in the booth. The car's in the booth finally. Now we can go ahead and tape it off and get this thing sprayed. About time, ladies and gentlemen. Almost there, almost there. A little update progress. I am currently taping up the car. I also scuffed down all the sensors and all the little covers that need to be painted, and I put them in so we can spray them down all at once. And going to the car, I am currently halfway done with taping it up. Got all the edges taped, so pretty much now all we gotta do is throw the plastic wrap and call it good. I am using this type of tape for the door jambs and the hood. It's coming out really nice. Looking good. Anyway, I think 30 more minutes and we should be spraying this in. 30 more minutes for me, but like 2 seconds for you guys. Anyway, stay tuned. So the car is all taped up, looks really nice. I went ahead and taped off the blend panels because I am going to be sealing it. 2 layers of some Autobahn primer sealer. Really nice stuff. Anyway, taped off this side. Gonna go ahead and seal the bumper, the hood, fenders, and then that repair panel, as well as that pillar right there, because there's some metal showing. First off, we are going to go ahead and wax and grease the whole car, or at least the panels that I'm going to be sealing for now. Then blow it off, or a tack cloth, blow it off. And after that, we're going to be spraying it in. A step closer, but again, we're not finished yet. So let's get it. So the paint job is finally complete. We have sprayed in the car. We sprayed 3 coats of clear, came out really nice. The hood has no orange peel. The repair parts came out amazing. I didn't wet it too much on the sides because it is cold outside. It's at 40 degrees, and clear coat can make leaks very easily if you're not careful, especially in this cold. The blend came out amazing, as well as this repair spot. Can't even tell. Bumper came out nice. I taped off that part right there and left it black. Came out really nicely. All the sensors and covers. But there you go. The car is finally sprayed in, and all we need to do now is assemble it. What is up, guys? So as we said, we had a lot of things to do in this episode, but the car is painted. Unfortunately, the Subaru was not able to start due to the fact that there were some miscommunications as well as some wrong parts. So the car should be running pretty soon. Let's go check out the results on the BMW with the paint job. It was really cold last night. It was like 35 to 40 degrees, but let's go see what we did. That's a wrap for this episode. We did what we wanted to do and it came out really nice. So guys, if you guys like this content and if you guys want to see some more, please smash that like and subscribe. Show us some love. And if you guys want to see some builds on this channel, please comment down below what you guys would like to see, or if you guys have any advice or opinions, please don't be shy. Comment down what you guys want. Stay tuned for more videos and episodes on this car as well as the Subaru, and we got some more builds coming your way. If you guys want to have some merch, we would like to make you guys some and just rock our merch, you know. So let us know what you guys want to see. We're currently working on a few designs, so we'll see how that goes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.